Hello! So I've managed to get Robin away from working on the new website, which is finally going to be tested from tomorrow and go live on Monday. Fingers crossed.
So we need to be quick, so we'll get back to it.
So it's just a really quick vlog about our 20th birthday party, which is next week on the 24th of January between 4 and 8 PM. We're going to have goodie bags and...
Oh, Prosecco, of course. That's
more importantly,
cake?
in my eyes anyway.
Cake.
Yeah. There's going to be loads of cake from a local baker, Oozy Boozy Bakes, vegan, non-vegan, gluten-free, etc.
And lots of you party guests.
Hopefully.
That's it.
So yeah, we really just wanted to talk about the 20th birthday party on the 24th. Although our birthday is actually on the 20th, we thought a Friday was better for a party. There's also going to be free demos, there's going to be mini workshops and shopping with 20% off everything. For those of you who are further afield or can't make it, we're going to have some offers on next week, but we're not going to shout about them just yet, because we just want to launch this website that has taken up how many years of your life now?
Yeah, too many. Far too many.
But we also wanted to say a huge thank you for the last 20 years. It's incredibly different, the Bead shop, than it was 20 years ago. Much nicer shop than we were in. Workshop room, toilet, kettle, staff room, things like that, which are hugely different. Oh, heating as well, which is lovely. But yes, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for our customers, so we want to say thank you.
Yes, thanks very much for bearing with us.
And for still coming to see us after all this time and still bringing your projects in to show us and jewellery in to fix, which is what we love.
And we plan to be here for the next 20 years as well. So stick with us. We're
not supposed to be scaring people off.
No, we're going to be here for 20 years.